The TimeLock documentation system sets a new standard in professional visual inspection and commissioning documentation. Our patented TimeLock system offers powerful and convenient tools for the construction, facilities, and service repair industries, finally delivering a field-based platform that's easy to use. Technicians and inspectors can complete inspections in the field and create digitally signed and watermarked documents, complete with time, date, and GPS stamped photos. Our system makes it faster and easier to provide documentation to vendors, customers, and engineers, and it updates and syncs across devices instantly. The TimeLock documentation apps even include embedded plumbing code, mechanical code, and electrical torque settings, making it possible to create detailed commissioning, testing, or repair documents, as well as invoices, RFIs, RFQs, change orders, or almost any document from anywhere. All data is stored in an SQL-backed database, making it easy to view files by date, project, system, and client in a wide range of database software. We can even customize our process to fit the needs of your company or facility. Stop working with an insecure mix of paper, spreadsheets, and photos. Try TimeLock documentation today.